Hello guys, today we're going to go over modeling F3. Click on Part to start, and let's start our 3D sketch. Let's click the XY plane. Let's click on any rectangle, and let's set the dimension as 1 inches. With that said, let's set this as 0.5. Now, since this is a little bit out of proportion, let's set this into something like 0.2 so that it's a little bit more thinner. Now that we have that done, let's use a complex tool called Spline Control Vertex. What you need to do is click on this point, a point over here in the outside, and just drag it down like that. And when you're done, make sure to press check mark. The same with here. Click on over here, a point outside, and just drag it all the way down. And click on the check mark to finish. After you're done with that, click on to the line tool to connect those two. Right-click to cancel. Now, the splines can vary among your designs, but one thing I do want to caution you is to make sure that this is parallel to the top. And make sure that this has at least 1 inch of clearance or something around 0.5 inches. Make sure that this whole structure is tall enough too. This must be around 4 inches. With that said, once you're done, click on Finish Sketch. However, just one more thing. Since our grip is 4 inches, but we have a 0.2 inch clearance, we actually want to do 4 plus 0.2. And there we go. Press Finish Sketch to finish, and let's extrude them. There's multiple ways to extrude it, but let's just choose one way to do it, and which is just do it horizontally. 2 inches should be perfectly fine. And let's click OK. Now, one thing you do have to keep in mind is to drill a hole over here. We start our 2D sketch again over here, and all you have to do is create a hole that has 0.3 as its diameter. Now, for design's sake, let's try to make things a little bit more cleaner by centering it like that. Usually, the circle would be somewhere else, but since this circle auto positioned to the center, all you have to do is click on this line and the center. And of course, for me, the sketch constraint already exists. Now, one thing to actually watch out for is the length. Let's check back on the top over here, this part. From here to there, we have a clearance of 0.25, which is where the hole will go in. So we gotta make sure that this line is 0.25 inches. After we've done that, click Finish Sketch, and all you have to do is just create a pin of 0.5 inches. Once you have that, you're pretty much done. Feel free to customize this design through things such as the fillet tool, which will let you customize it. Now, you can also fill up this a little bit more extremely and make this into a curved design as well. So please try to spend some creative thoughts on modeling this design since it will be covering the hand. Try to think about ergonomic grips and how it can safely cover the hand. With that said, good luck with modeling.